Give Thunder Quote. Give Thunder Quote. Gangsters.space. Gangsters.space. Slay.one. Slay.one is a multiplayer shooter where you work to fight off enemy players as you try to be the last one standing. There are several types of weapons for you to find around the map. You won't be able to get your favorite gun every game, so you need to be adaptable. That said, prepare to fight at any moment, because enemies could be lurking around any corner, and they often are. Squad. EO is a game that takes place on a 3D map. The game is fast-paced and has plenty of weapons for you to try out and use, but the best way to win is to keep moving around the map. Stick to the edge of the map so that you can't get attacked from behind. This way you will have the best chance to get fair fights with your opponents. Zombies Royale. EO is a battle royale game where the goal is to be the last player standing. You need to loot to get gear and prepare for battle. Once you're looted, you can get ready for fights. Get the jump on your opponents or fight them head-on. No matter the approach you take, the goal is the same. Be the last man standing. Similar to Survive. EO, which is also a blast. The graphics and art style on this one are very unique, helping add to the replay factor. Survive. EO is a battle royale shooter where you will fight to be the last player standing. There is a red zone that slowly closes in on the players, and it's your mission to stay as far away as the zone in order to survive. As the zone closes, the play area shrinks, which means that you will have to fight more players. To give yourself the best chance to survive, you need to make sure that you loot the best guns and armor that you can find. Tactics Core is a MOBA shooter where you have control over a large selection of units to defeat your opponents. The graphics are tight, and the frame rate is surprisingly smooth. You can use hover tanks, bombers, and even fighter jets to try to take down your opponent. However, you only have a finite number of resources, so you'll need to be strategic in your unit selection. You win by draining your opponent's resources and blowing up their base. Conquer. As one of the few EO games that take place in first person, Conquer. EO is a fast-paced multiplayer shooter where skill is the name of the game. Opponents can pop up anywhere and at any time. You need to keep your head on a swivel and be ready for a fight at any moment. There isn't the safety net of having a top-down view like there is in third-person games, which means enemies can sneak up on you and strike at any moment. To start, all you need to do is select a class that fits your specific gaming style. There are 9 to start, and from there you'll be ready to get into the arena.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.